So now let's see how we can use the Bool Tool plugin inside of Blender. So in order to use the Bool Tool plugin, first of all, you need some objects. So I'm going to go around, press Shift A on my keyboard and bring in a cube. And I'm going to bring in another object right here. That is a cylinder. So now in order for the Bool tool to be active, first of all, you need to enable out the plugin. And to do that, you need to go to the edit menu right here. And then you should go to preferences. Once you go to preferences, you can scroll down right here. And then you can find out the Bool tool right here. So I'm just going to go around right here, and under object, you can see Bool tool is here under add-ons. So once you enable this, what happens is that the edit menu becomes active. So this is how you can apply Boolean onto your objects easily. And you can see that there's different options right here. So difference is what makes it a difference, as you can see. So the cube right here acted as the negative space, while this one, as you can see, is there, and you can see that it cut off the portion. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here, just like this, a few times, and then I'm going to select the cube first now, and then gonna select the cylinder and click on difference. So you can see that as I click on difference, the last selected object is the one that stays. So if I were to select this one and then this one and click on difference, now you can see that this is the result right here. So there's the difference result, as you can see. You can turn them into a single object as well by pressing on union. So now both of them are same object. Let me just press Ctrl Z, and you can also go around and press intersect right here. You can also go around and slice this out right here. So the slice is there, as you can see right here. So the slice piece is there for the object. You can also go around right here, and if you want the Boolean to be dynamic, you can go around and press difference right here. And this is how it works, as you can see. So if I were to move this, you can see that it is quite dynamic. And once you're happy with the final result, you can go around and then click on apply all right here, and then it is applied. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here a few times, and this is what you have again. So you can go for union as well. Again, you can find out the you want to go around and select the final output, select both, and click on apply brush right here to make it final right here, apply all right here. So let me just press Ctrl Z over here again, and you can go around and select out different options over here as well. You can go for intersect right here, you can press apply, or you can, if you don't press apply, let me just go around, press intersect. If you were to select this now, move this, you can see that this is how it actually works out. So, and finally, there is the slice right here for the Boolean brush, and this is what you have. This is dynamic, as you can see right here. And that is how you can work around with the Bool Tool plugin inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.